Hello, welcome back to Nerf Nerd Productions. Today we're going to do a review. We are reviewing the Nerf Disruptor. Disruptor is a reshell, not so much a repaint because it looks exactly the same on a paint, but a reshell of the Strong Arm. It's pretty much exactly the same as a Strong Arm, except it's missing a little piece of plastic right here, and the revolving turret does not drop down. So you do not drop it out and then fill it, you just rotate it and fill it. Aside from that, it's exactly the same. Load it, pull back the cock. Sorry, neighbors are doing a whole lot of lawn maintenance today or something. I don't know what's going on over there, but bear with me. I'll make this quick. Pull back the cock, fire. It has a little notch right here. That's because, and it has this little hook right here. Kind of see it. A lot of people like to say that the Strong Arms are the same exact setup with that. A lot of people like saying they're better than hammer shots and that you can dual wield those as well. These, because they'll take the little hook, pull it back, and then fire. Real clunky. If you mess up, you're going to hit your hands. I don't really agree with it. One good thing that the Disruptors and Strong Arms have that Hammer Shot doesn't is it has slam fire. Pull the trigger all the way back and just pull back and forth and it'll shoot. That's a pretty cool feature that the Hammer Shot unfortunately does not have because it is a hammer prime. So I will give it on the Disruptor for that. They run anywhere from $9 to $20 at most. I would never buy it at $20. $9 to $15, awesome. Anything less, awesome as well. Good blaster. Hammer Shot's better, but still a good one. Alright. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Till next time.